Forgotten username recovery failed on Wells Fargo Fix. You're trying to log into your Wells Fargo account, but when you click Forgot Username, it just doesn't work. Maybe the email never shows up, or the system can't find your details. Most people assume it's a glitch, but the surprising truth is, it's usually a verification mismatch. Here's how to fix it step by step. Go to the Wells Fargo sign-on page and click Forgot Username. You'll be asked for your social security number, tax ID, or account number, plus your full name. These details must match exactly as they appear on your account. If even one letter is off, like John instead of Jonathan, the system won't recognize you. If you've updated your email or phone number recently, that's another common reason recovery fails. Try using your previous contact info instead, or check old Wells Fargo emails to confirm which one is linked to your account. Next, check your inbox, spam, and junk folders for an email from Wells Fargo. Notify Wells Fargo CAM. The email usually arrives within a few minutes, but sometimes it's filtered out or delayed by your provider. If you still can't recover your username, try logging in through the mobile app instead of the website, or vice versa. Some users find that one platform works better depending on their stored cookies or session data. Still stuck? Contact Wells Fargo customer service at 1-800-869-3000-557. I'll verify your identity over the phone and help you recover your username securely. The key takeaway: Wells Fargo's recovery system isn't broken, it's designed to be extremely protective of your account. Once you confirm your identity, your username can be restored in minutes. Keeping your contact information current will prevent this from happening again.